Today we're here to talk about SEO, GEO, and the CMS tools you need for today's changing landscape. Search has changed more in the last several months than in perhaps the previous decade. Organizations like ours, as well as across our customer base, are evolving and adapting to this changing landscape, almost week to week. The truth is we're seeing drops of 30 to maybe 40% for customers used to seeing referrals from Google's blue link SERPs as the reality of zero-click search kicks in, meaning more users are getting the information they need without ever needing to visit your website. AI overviews, ChatGPT answers, perplexity citations. If your CMS was configured for Google even in 2025, it's not configured for how people are finding content today. When it comes to today's search and AI visibility, here's where you need to focus and some of the focus that your CMS needs to support. I think a lot of people are conflating two distinct disciplines right now, so I think it's good to spend a little bit of time going over those differences. SEO, or traditional search engine optimization, is about getting your content to rank in Google's search engine results. GEO, or generative engine optimization, is about getting content cited by the AI answer engines. So for example, Google AI overviews, ChatGPT, perplexity. Different signals, different tools, different strategy perhaps. Most CMS platforms were built to handle SEO. Now you need both. Before getting into the mechanics, the content fundamentals still matter, whether you're writing to rank for traditional web-based search or through the answer engines. Google has told us and confirmed recently that the same things still hold true in the age of AI, and the following factors are what you need to focus on to rank: experience, expertise, authority, trust. So remember this acronym, EEAT. Your content should provide value, address the user's needs, and come from a trustworthy and authoritative source. For traditional SEO, the basics still matter, and your CMS needs to make them easy. So that means editable meta titles and descriptions for all your content types. It means the ability to add and edit alt tags for your images. It means XML supported sitemaps for discoverability by the search engine robots. And it means more technical things like support for structured data, JSON-LD, which is output on content types like articles, blog posts, author pages natively through a CMS like Brightspot. Beyond the fundamentals though, direct integration with an SEO analytics tool makes a real operational difference. So you can see your data in real time and you can make decisions based on that data. For example, Brightspot integrates natively with Semrush, which means you can get keyword recommendations through the CMS interface for relevant keywords as you're writing your content, right there within the CMS editing interface. So I mentioned earlier that when it comes to SEO and GEO, the gold standard is still quality, valuable content. That hasn't changed. But for GEO, there are a few other things that matter more than anything else and are more relevant to help your content get into the answer engines. Most importantly, structured, well-organized content. AI engines read your page semantics, not your page design. How you format and organize that information is what gets you cited. So it's both a content question and a platform technology question. Another kind of important criteria for content to rank in the answer engines is today video content. YouTube is the king of video. YouTube is really the only video platform that AI engines cite at scale. So you need to make sure that if you have video content, it's indexable and it's part of your content strategy. Brightspot's architecture makes it easy to embed YouTube videos with the right schema markup in place on page as you are producing content in the CMS. That is also applied on a more technical level with the video object schema format that is included as you add YouTube videos within your content pieces within Brightspot CMS, for example. As an aside, Brightspot's SEO service team handles schema implementation if you need that kind of support. So we know the SEO and search landscape has changed dramatically with the advent of AI and everything that means for how content appears and how people are finding and searching for content. On the other side, one of the biggest operational challenges today is SEO consistency at scale. With Brightspot's AI, you can generate an SEO-optimized title, description, article body, keyword set for any piece of content in seconds. For teams managing hundreds or even thousands of pages, you can also automate your SEO optimization workflows to happen autonomously so that you can focus on content creation. Because this is a strategy question as much as a platform question, Brightspot has an in-house SEO services team. We don't just give you the tools, we help you build the strategy. That includes schema implementation, Core Web Vitals auditing, and GEO-ready content architecture and content strategy recommendations. If you're evaluating CMS platforms for search visibility, both platform capabilities and the services strategy matter. There's a link in the description to book time with our team if you'd like to learn more. Thank you.